What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here, I'm going to be installing this coolant reservoir on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to remove these hoses. Now if you didn't want to drain your coolant out, you could actually use some hose pinchers and pinch these hoses off. You want to make sure you're doing this while the engine is cold. You don't want to do this with a hot engine. And I'll take these hose clamp pliers, squeeze these, just move the hose clamp down the hose, loosen it up, just grab the hose, slide it off, twist it a little bit. If you can access the lower one with some hose clamps, you can try taking that off. I'm actually going to take the reservoir out a little bit first and then get that while the reservoir is tipped up. Now I'm going to take this nut off and this nut off. I'm going to use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. All right, now we're going to slide the reservoir up. I'm just going to tip it over. Now I can access that clamp a lot easier. I'm just going to use pliers on this clamp. Slide those down. Just take a pick, slide it underneath, loosen up the seal. Wiggle the hose off. And there you go. Here's the old coolant reservoir. Here's the new coolant reservoir from 1aauto.com. Comes with a new cap. All the fittings are the same. We'll transfer that hose over. Fittings right there, fitting right there. All the mounting positions are the same. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you can do it yourself. All right, so we'll just take this hose, and it's stuck on there pretty good. And just twist it. Transfer it over to the new one. All right, I'm gonna reattach this lower hose right there. It's easier to do that now. Take some pliers, move the clamp over. You kind of want to put it in the same spot the clamp was. So that's pretty good right there. Now reposition the coolant reservoir. There's a little nub in the bottom that's got to line up down there. And then make sure this stud is lined up here. Take this nut, we're going to put this nut here, put this nut here, and then we'll tighten it down with a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Right, snug that one up. You should actually snug this one up before you snug this lower one up. That's good. Now we'll install this upper coolant hose. Hose clamp tool, snug this hose clamp down, just move it to the same location it was. If this clamp seems weak, you can always replace it with a worm or a screw clamp. Now we want to take this cap off of the reservoir and we want to add the appropriate coolant, a 50-50 mix. And you want to fill it up to the fill line on the reservoir, and that would be right there. So fill it up to that line and then you should be good to go.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.